Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is SG in ITman channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create restore and full Windows 10 backup. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss the update. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. First of all, you should go through start menu and then type control panel. After that, you should click on control panel and check this part. It should be large icon. You have to check it large icon and select click on backup and restore Windows 7 and then click on create system image. After that, you should select enough free space from here. My enough free space is D drive, yes. And then you should select next, and after that, as you can see, the C drive selected by default. And now select on click on next and then start backup. When your backup process finished, for restoring that, again you should go through start menu and type control panel and then click on control panel, and it should be large icon and backup and restore, and then you should click on here. You should click on here. And you should choose your backup disk or backup from here, because my backup process is not finished and it's not showing here. Let's show you backup file. It's on D drive here. As you can see, this is my backup file, and when the process finished, I can select this file to backup my Windows. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it's be useful for you, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss update. Thank you. See you later.